This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Investing involves risk, including loss of capital. Any tools or strategies mentioned do not guarantee profits or future results.
If you think picking stocks is about following news, tips, or social media trends, Chris Graebe's Stock Signal strategy completely flips that idea. Because this is not about finding one hot stock. This is about using a system that tells you what to buy, what to hold, and more importantly, what to sell. And in 2026, that last part matters more than ever. Here's the core idea. Chris Graebe's Stock Signal is built on something called Weiss Ratings Plus. Instead of guessing which stocks will perform, this platform analyzes over 22,000 stocks and gives them a simple grade from A to E. A means strong buy potential. E means serious risk. And the system updates continuously. So when a stock moves from hold to buy or drops to sell, you get an alert instantly. Now this becomes powerful in one specific situation: market shifts. Graebe's main thesis is that we are entering a phase where popular stocks can suddenly lose momentum and lesser-known companies can take the lead. We've seen this before: dot-com crash, 2008 financial crisis, COVID market crash. In every cycle, leadership changes, and most investors react too late. That's where this system tries to give you an edge. Instead of reacting after the fall, it flags weakness early. Now let's talk about what you actually get. The biggest feature is access to the full Weiss rating system. You can check any stock, your own portfolio, or discover new opportunities based on ratings like risk, reward, growth, and volatility. Then there are real-time buy and sell alerts. Last year alone, the system generated over 270 new buy signals. That's almost one opportunity per trading day. You also get advanced screeners. These let you filter stocks based on very specific conditions. So instead of searching blindly, you're working with structured data. And for beginners, there's a full masterclass that explains how to use everything step by step. So this is not just a signal service. It's a full research system. Now here's where things get interesting. The platform doesn't just focus on stocks to buy. It actively highlights stocks to avoid, because avoiding a bad stock can sometimes save more money than finding a good one. And historically, this is where the system claims strong performance. It identified companies like Apple early, long before major institutional investors entered. It also flagged weak stocks before major crashes. That doesn't mean every signal works, but it shows how the system is designed not just to chase gains, but to manage risk. Now let's talk about the limitations. First, this is not a passive strategy. You need to actually track alerts, understand ratings, and make decisions. Second, the volume of alerts can feel overwhelming if you don't filter them properly. And third, like any system, it depends on how well you use it. Because tools don't make money, execution does. So who is this for? If you want simple stock tips, this is not it. But if you want a structured, data-driven way to analyze stocks, track market shifts, and avoid weak positions, then this becomes very interesting. In simple terms, Stock Signal is not about predicting the market. It's about reacting faster than everyone else when the market changes. And in volatile markets, that alone can make a big difference.